เขาไม่ปีนโอ้เขาไม่ปีนโอ้เชื่อดูกินแกล้งไปมูเบลโอ้good come on fight your feet don't let go there sing it again okay move back oh this second one okay oh Balamundi okay yes good one stronger Balamundi is stronger sorry fight sorry take your time yeah okay move backward no because oh okay okay bring back the fish don't let it go bring back okay bring back fight bring up okay baru tinggal dah oh good job very good this is okay sorry what so the trick is that you go forward stop go forward stop using the buoyancy no yeah using the buoyancy of the water bring back okay okay go forward stop yes pull back use the buoyancy water bring it back if you the whole skill you're not coming back you see sorry you see gone already even nobody get go forward maintain tension okay sorry move back just walk back if you go let him go okay go forward to the line stop okay use buoyancy water bring back walk slowly walk back let go okay move forward okay hold okay oh my move it oh on the body okay we got it okay yeah look here yeah Chapaya catfish. This is the one you see.
That's the one.
Okay, strong,
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. Pull the tail. Okay, go. Push it back. Go. Yes. Release. Good. Okay. Yes. Okay, strong. Very good. Okay. Okay. Okay, once you're ready to just push forward, yeah. It's strong. Okay, go. Okay, look here. Yes. Yeah, okay. Kan, you zoom very far, you zoom very far. Yeah. Move. Okay, move that way. Oh, that's big. Oh. here. Look here. Yes. Nice, huh? Well done, well done. Okay. Yes. Oh, good size, huh? Okay, move that way. Yeah, bring it. You bring up. Something right? Something right? No, okay, give me. Oh, that's a nice size. Oh, this is
That's
nice.
some big. That's a big.
I said fish, you were talking to me. No, I thought you know, I said, look.
The fishing.
Yeah, I know. I said, fish, what? Wow. Release, huh? Sorry. Enjoy the fight. Okay, move that way. Let's move it. Bring up. Move up. Oh.
Good size.
Nice, huh?